Zahra, a young girl living in an old house, begins to hear strange rattling noises coming from behind the wall, igniting her curiosity and fear. As the rattling intensifies each night, Zahra decides to confront the mystery, unaware that the sound carries secrets from the house's dark past. Determined to uncover the truth, Zahra bravely removes the wallpaper, discovering a hidden door that leads to an unknown world filled with forgotten horrors. In the attic, Zahra encounters a ghostly child trapped in a realm of sorrow, revealing the tragic story that binds them both to the haunted house. As the ghost shares its tragic story, Zahra's heart aches with empathy, understanding that only she can help release the spirit from its eternal pain. Finding an old diary filled with secrets, Zahra uncovers the ghost child's past, igniting her determination to break the curse and bring peace to their troubled souls. With newfound courage, Zahra and the ghost child unite their strength, ready to confront the dark entity that has tormented them both for so long.